Right. Right. Good evening, children. Let's start the lesson and activity number 11. Now at my teacher's Dr. LK. Once again, I just now switch on the recording. Those who are absent can get into our web and get the recording. Activity number 11, please start. It is not very difficult. I have already taught it. Mamo to make it how to use capital letters, commas, and full stop. I shall give you 5 minutes to complete this, and we are planning a special English activity program, Harshi, at the end of August. So I have already had a special discussion with Kumar Janapriya sir, how we are going to organize this program. So he advised me what we should do. Let's see. Vivaram.
Okay, sir.
So I will, divide you into 5 groups, Harshi. You must be in one group, Jeremy another group, Nisabi another group, Durina another group, and like that, an activity day. Durina, do you like an activity day?
Yes, sir. I very like.
Like in our class at, special class, we did one activity day. I think your team won, but this time online activity day, we will see. I am organizing. I will invite Mandasa also to join me, right? And he will teach perhaps some lessons, and I will teach some other lessons, right? So in the second week of August, I will divide you into groups, and I will give you the group name, right? And your names are there. One by one, I will talk to the groups and select the group leaders and continue. Last 1 minute to finish this question, please.
Okay, sir.
So to join this class, please be advised, please try to come through our Kumar sir's, my teachers .lk only, so I am not sending you the link. Kumar sir himself will send you the link. Okay, first one, let's start. I would like to start with Harshi first one. Harshi, can you read first one? Today's
Okay,
first
sir. The middle day of the week is Wednesday. The T capital Wednesday, W capital and full stop.
Very good. The D capital and Wednesday W capital, Y full stop. So you can score 3 marks here. Ahasna, can you start number 2?
Okay, sir. Saman, Ravi, Meena, and Pali play badminton on Saturday. Saman S capital, Ravi R capital, Meena M capital. Ravi and between the Ravi and Meena, we put the comma and Pali P capital. Play badminton on Saturday. Saturday is capital after all full stop.
Very good, very good, very clear. Saman is capital, Ravi are capital, Meena in capital, Pali P capital, Saturday is capital, full stop. Saman, comma, Ravi, comma, that's all. Number 3, Nesanthi number 3. Nesanthi number 3, can you start number 3?
Our family went to China in November. Our O capital, China C capital, November N capital, November full stop.
Good, Nesanthi, salute. Right? Our O capital and China C capital, November full stop. Number 4, please tell me, I would like to say Melanie. Melanie, are you in the group today? We are doing activity number 11. Okay, Dulina, number 4.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, අරගෙන November වල n එකක් capital වෙනව නේද?
මොකද පුතා?
Sir, මේ තුන්වෙනි එකේ November වල n එකක් capital වෙනව නේද?
Yes, November in capital full stop. Dulina, number 4.
Christian is my best friend and she is Christian.
Not number 4. Dulina, number 4.
My brother's birthday is in January. My M capital, January, G capital, the end of the sentence, full stop.
Okay, January J capital full stop. Number 5, please tell me Rashka Mariam. Can you start number 5? Rashka is silent, please. Melanie, Melanie's mic is not working. I would Sandasaya, can you start last one, do it?
Christian is my best friend and she is a Christian. Christian
Christine.
C capital. Christine C capital is my best friend and she is a Christian. C capital and full stop.
Okay, Christine C capital, Christian C capital, full stop. Okay, 10 marks. When you write over a sentence, if all blanks are correct, all places are correct, you can score 2 marks. If there is a mistake, you cannot score 2 marks, only 1 mark. Clear? Right. Question. This is a very good activity. Onnapodi activity ekak. Podi tarangaya. Do you like a game? Obala kemathida game එක?
Yes, I very
Yes, sir, very right.
Sir, we like it.
Right. මෙන්න game එක. හොඳට අහගෙන ඉන්න. You can see පළවෙනි game එක තමයි look at the picture and write 10 things you see. ඔබට දකින දේවල් 10ක්. But Yenumi, I will give you 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3, start.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, sentences,
Yes.
the words, the
Words. Rashka, අපි කරන් ටියුට් එකේ page number 7, activity 12 දුව. And please write 10 things you see in the picture. පින්තූරේ තියෙන දේවල් 10ක් කියන්න. Next week, we are planning to finish this tutorial. I will see who will write first. Send me the message. Message එකක් කියවන්න. 30 second finish.
Excuse
Upper
me,
the
sir.
right? Yes.
What's the meaning of Duma?
Duma?
Yes,
I
sir.
don't know. I don't know, Kasuni. You may write.
Grey clouds.
Yenuka, you can't take Videshadara. Okay? No Videshadara today. Last 1 minute. Tau vinadiya for the game.
Sir, finish.
Very good, Putta. I think your name Nadev.
Yes, sir.
Nadev, you got the first place to finish. Salute. Nadev, wait a while. Don't tell your answers to your friends, huh?
Okay,
Please,
sir.
sir.
Because they are still writing, we can see.
Sir, I also finish.
I
Correct.
have done my
also
work,
finished,
sir.
Me too, sir.
Sir, I also finished.
Sir, I
Right.
also finished.
Sir,
10 seconds. තව තප්පර 10යි තියෙන්නේ.
I'm finished, sir.
Right. So I would like to say Pehansa, first opportunity gives, right, goes to you. Is given to you, goes to you, right? Pehansa, tell me 5 things, please.
Fishes, boy, girl, sun, cap.
Okay, Damsadi, tell me 6 things.
Okay, sir. Sun, ship, clouds, children, anchor.
Okay. Sasani, can you tell me 7 things?
Sun, boat, smoke, birds, fish, sea, anchor.
Okay. Yenumi, tell me 5 things. Yenumi.
The sun, a ship, birds, fishes, a girl, a boy.
Okay. Durina, tell me 6 things. Correct?
sun, little boy, little girl, fish, birds, sheep, sea, smoke.
Good. Please tell me, Tashara, 8 things. 8 things, Tashara.
Can I?
Sun,
Yes.
little girl, little boy, fish, cloud.
Okay, Chenuli, tell me 10 things. Tell me 10 things that you can see in this picture. It's a very nice picture.
Fish, girl, sun, boy, sheep, bird, beach, hat, the cat, sun.
Okay, please tell me.
Sir,
Yeluka, tell me 9 things.
Sheep, bird, sun, sky, little girl, fish, anchor, water, little boy, smoke.
Very good. Yeluka and Sasani යෙදෙන විශේෂ වචනයක් ලියතර anchor, nanguram.
teacher, sir, I am Damsadi also. I wrote the anchor.
Anchor. Okay, good. Now please write.
Smoke,
Wait. Go. Nadev, Can you tell me 10 things? He completed first.
Sun, boy, girl, fish, boat, anchor, cloud, birds, sea, smoke.
Right. This is my second game. Right? Do you like to win the second game?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. This is the game. Right? Wait a while. This game is called, මේ game එකට අපි කියනවා දම්සදී චේතනා ESP. What do we call?
ESP. ESP.
ESP.
Yes. Can you tell me කාට හරි කියන්න පුළුවන්ද what do these letters stand for? ESP අකුරු වලින් පෙළී කොහොමද?
English spoken practice.
Now, very special word. හරිම වැදගත් අකුරු තුනක්. Not word, phrase, 3 letters. මේ ලෝකේ තියෙන එක්තරා විශේෂ විෂයක්.
English speak.
English for
Now, give me 1 minute.
Sir, I can tell. Sir, I am Damsadi. I can tell it.
Okay, tell me.
I can also tell it.
E for English, S for science, P for physical training.
Yes, words are correct, but it is සම්බන්ධයක් නැහැ. English, science, physical training. No relationship. Wait. I will tell you something. This is
English
a kind.
special practice.
No.
For specific purposes.
English
No.
for special purpose.
Silent please. You do not know. Can you get the support of your mother or father? Aditi, can you get the support of your mother, father, anybody else? මට මේකට උත්තරේ තප්පර 30කින් කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can you find and tell me?
Example.
I can say English for
Example.
specific purpose.
Now, first try to find. Take විදේශාධාර. අන්න එක ළමයෙක් කියවනවා උත්තරය ගගනි. ගගනි very good. ගගනි correct. ගගනි කොහොම හරි ඩික්ෂනරියෙන් ගහලා බලන්න ඇති. ගගනි who helps you? කවුද ඔයාලට උදව් කරේ? ඩික්ෂනරි එකද නැන්දද තාත්තද අම්මද?
Dictionary.
Dictionary correct. Okay. Extrasensory perception. On the Melanie, who helped you? The dictionary. Okay, wait. Extrasensory perception. To read others' mind. අහන් ඉන්නකෝ. නිම්නා මොකක්ද extrasensory perception කියන්නේ? Do you know?
Perception or communication outside of normal sensory capability, as in telepathy.
Wait. මං සිංහලෙන් කියන්නද ඔගේ තේරුම? Can I tell you?
Okay, sir.
Okay, යෙනුක ඔයාට මේ නුවණ තියෙනවද බලන්න.
sir.
අනුන්ගේ සිත කියවීමේ දැනගැනීමේ නුවණ ඥානයක් තියෙනවද? Do you know? Right. මෙන්න ගේම් එක එහෙනම්. බාහිර සංවේදීතාවය ඔබට හරියම කේරුම පිටස්තර දේවල් ගැන අපට කියන්න පුළුවන් දකින්න නැතුව. මේ ලෝකේ ජීවත් වුණා about 2500 years ago. There was born a great religious leader, Thomas ශ්‍රේෂ්ඨ ආගමික නායකයෙක්. He is the person who developed the mind, right, the best in the world. ලෝකේ වැඩියෙන්ම මනස දියුණු කර කෙනා අය. විද්‍යාඥයෝ scientists believe Lord Buddha, right? බුදුහාමුදුරුවෝ. He is right. He has developed very good. යෙනුක දන්නව නේද? Right. යෙනුක මං හිතන්නේ බුදුහාමුදුරුවෝ කාලේ ජීවත් වෙච්ච කෙනෙක් වෙන්න ඇති. He lived during the period of right. Rashka hangin kamang inne anit kagum ge nayakyo diyun kala tiyenawa. But Lord Buddha was supposed to be the brainy of the brainy. Viddhatun get viddhatun. He can read others' mind. ඔහුට පුළුවන් අන්නයිගේ මනස කියවන්න. හැබැයි අන්නාගමේ නායකට පුළුවන් වරදවා හිතන්න. ඔන්න රශ්ක කරන්න තියෙන මේකයි. මගේ හිත කියවන්න තියෙන්නේ. Right? මම මේ මේසෙට තියලා තියෙනවා there are 10 things. දේවල් 10ක්. ඊටත් වැඩිය තියෙනවා. මෙන්න එකක්. දුලින මේක ඇතුලේ තියෙන දේවල් දන්නවනේ. Do you know?
Yes, sir,
Right?
I know.
Don't take. කියන්න එපා. Right? With a spoon. Then ඔබට පුළුවන් මේ තරගෙන් දිනන්න write 10 things. ඔන්න ගේම් එක. 10ක් නෙවෙයි 12ක් ලියන්න 12 things that can be found on teacher's table. මේ ගේම් එකට නැසති කැමතිද?
Yes,
I very like.
yes, sir.
Right.
Even I like.
Teacher's table අනිත්‍ය පිළිගන්න 1 2 3 start.
Teacher, sir, can we write our exercise book?
Yes, in the exercise book. ඔබගේ exercise පොතේ ලියන්න extra sensory ESP. මේ අතේ 12 words.
Our dude. Our
Don't tell me.
tutorial.
යනුක tute එකේ ඊට තියෙනවා tute එකේ ලියන්නත් පුළුවන්. If you have space in the tute you can write.
Sir, මේ මට සර් කියන දේ චුට්ටක් කැඩි කැඩි ඇහුනේ. දැන් මම ලියන්න ඕනේ සර්ගේ මේසේ උඩ තියෙනවද නැත්නම් ඔය වටේ පිටේ තියෙනවද?
Sir, your mic is muted.
I am sorry, don't send me the answers, others can read. අනිත්‍යයට කියවන්න පුළුවන්.
සර් සර්ට විතරක් එවන්න පුළුවන් විදියට මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්න පුළුවන්.
Yes, sir, we can send a message as your directory.
Right, let's get a better. No problem.
Sir, කීයක් විතර ලියන්න ඕනද?
12 words. Harshi, can you tell me 10 things?
Okay, sir. Exercise book, our tute, phone, mug, spoon, pens, whiteboard markers, little table, uh, glasses, pencil holder, and a chair.
And the
Chair.
chair. No chairs. On the table. Means මත තියෙනව තමයි ලියන්න ඕන. On the table. Right. Dulina, tell me 12 things.
Teacher's
No chair, no
phone,
glasses. Start.
teacher's phone, some English books, pens, mug, watch, marker pens, grade 6 tutorial, duster, pencil folder, scissors,
Right. Dulina,
and dictation papers.
10 correct. මෙවල නෑ කියපුවා තියෙනවා watch, marker pens, mobile phone, and all. හැබැයි දෙකක් වැරදි මයික මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? අහස්නා, can you tell me?
Okay, sir. Mark our tutorial, marker pen, phone, spoon, laptop, water, ear key, duster, pens, English books, and watch.
Very good, very good, very good. Watch, mobile phone, එයා මෙන්න විශේෂ වචනයක් කිව්වා. සර්ගේ කාර් එකේ key එක නේද? ඒක කිව්ව නේද දුව?
Yes, I tell it.
This is the key of the car and only one word is wrong. Yenumi, can you try?
A cup,
Navini? Okay,
a
start.
spoon, whiteboard markers, bottle of water, mobile phone, our tutorial, a duster, pens, books, watch, a laptop, your glasses.
Mage, today reading glasses, I forgot. Amataka vuna. No duster, only a piece of cloth. All others are correct. I have no duster, right? Only a
Sir,
piece
can I
of
tell?
cloth. Right. Please, Damsadi, you can try. Dolahama kiwa. If you tell all 12, I will give you a present. Start.
Okay, sir. Pens, books, laptop, smartphone, cup, one stapler, a spoon, whiteboard markers, watches, pen holder.
Right. I have no pen holder here now. I can you do again. Again.
Okay,
10
sir.
correct, 2 wrong.
Pens, books, laptop, pen holder, one stapler, cutters, spoon, whiteboard markers.
Okay, no stapler here. Right, okay. All Tama, Medimal Akulu 10, 11, Tama, and 12, 12.
Sir,
Last 3 chances. Please
Sir,
tell me. Wait,
I am Hasna. Sir, I am
Yashmi.
Hasna. Can I try again?
Wait. Yashmi, please tell me.
Our English pupils book, our grade
Good.
6
Good.
tutorial, pens, marker pens, cup, some books, exercise books, mobile phones, board marker, spoon, pencil holder, watch.
Okay, no pencil holder, no cup. This is a mug. All others correct. Nesandi, can you try?
Sir, I am Hasna. Can I try again?
Yeah, please tell me Nesandi first.
Mobile phone, a ruler, tutorial, teamwork, spoon, pens, computer, books, car key, marker pen, watch, a serviette.
Okay. Nesandi. 11 correct. මගේ මේස තියෙන
I
ලොකුම ලොකු
can, sir.
දෙයක්.
I am Renuka. I can, sir.
Renuka. Wait,
Sir,
wait,
I
wait.
am Hasna.
Wait a while. අපි කියපු නැති කෙනෙක්ට දෙමු. Yenuka, you can try.
Sir, I'm sorry.
Our dude, mug, mobile phone, spoon, gold book, tablecloth, workbook, pupils book, glass, marker pen, desk, watch.
Okay. All correct, but no glass. Yenuka, all
Sir,
correct.
please give me
Sir, I am Hasna. Can I try?
Wait. Switch off the mics. Mic off කරන්න සියලුමයි. I give the chance to Sarada. After that, Kasuni.
teacher's mobile phone, mug of soup, a book, papers, laptop, pens, pencil, erasers, spoon, no, water bottle, whiteboard marker, cutters, watch.
Right. All correct. යාලි ඔක්කොම ටික හරි. හැබැයි මගේ මේසෙ තියෙන ලොකුම ලොකු දෙයක්. මෙන්න මෙච්චර විතර ඇති ලොකු. උස්සන්නත් අමාරුයි.
Sir, I think dictionary.
Sir, can
A computer?
Can you tell me?
Is that computer, sir?
Wait.
dictionary.
Message only. Don't shout. Message.
Sir, I send my 10 words from a message.
Right. අහන් ඉන්න මම පෙන්නන්නද මේක? Shall I show you? Sasini.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can show, sir.
Wait. What is this?
I send
This is one.
A
Can you
water
tell
barrel.
me? Huh?
A water barrel.
Yes. Barrel. This is not barrel. What is that?
water bottle.
Water bottle. Can I drink here like that?
No.
Water container.
Very good. Water container. වතුර බහාගෙන දෙයක්. Water trough. We call it water trough, water container. Hamsadi, හිතුවේ නෑ නේද මේක? You did not
No,
guess
sir.
like that. It's very heavy, not heavy now. Okay.
Sir,
Our game is over. Wait. Last game. Antima game එක. Do you like to take the challenge? කැමතිද challenge එක ගන්න?
yes, sir, we like it.
Yes, sir. We are very like.
Sir, we like it.
Right. මේ game එක තියෙන කුමාර ජනප්‍රිය sir ගැන. This is about කුමාර ජනප්‍රිය sir. Do you like?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. We are like.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Silent, please. Switch off
Sir,
the
we
mic.
like, but
Wait a while. This is a very simple thing, right? So I write a word which Kumar Janapriya sir always uses. Kumar Janapriya sir නිතරම භාවිතා කරන සිංහල වචනයක් මම ලියනවා. I write a Sinhala word, right? I will give 10 of you, the chance to guess it. ESP, extrasensory perception. If you can tell it, you can call Kumar Janapriya sir. Sir, මට කිව්වේ මේ game එක දෙන්න කියලා and win the prize. අගෝස්තු මාසේ තෑග්ග දිනා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Do you like?
Yes,
Yes, sir, so much.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we like. Sir,
Okay.
are you written one letter, one word?
Wait, only one word, right?
Okay, sir.
Only one word. I write. He always uses this. Sir, නිතර මේ වචනේ භාවිතා කරනවා. Now you may guess. ඕගොල්ලෝ guess කරන්න.
Okay, sir.
Right. Maybe a Sinhala word, maybe an English word. එක්ක සිංහල වචනයක්,
No problem, sir.
maybe English word. Right? අහන් ඉන්න. Nade, when you try, ඔබ try කරලා and miss your answer, you can call your mother and get knock. Right? So tokkල් ලබා ගන්න ඕන. Genuine, call your mother to get a knock. Huh? Right. එහෙම අයට විතරයි try කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. Sir විතර කියන වචනයක් තියෙනවා. Maybe Sinhala, maybe English word. 2 minutes. Think and write. හිතලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. ටොක්කක් හැබැයි ලබා ගන්න නැතුව.
Sir, where would we write?
You can write in the book and guess.
Sir, ලියන්නත් ඕනේ දෙක.
Yes, you can write and guess. මම බලන හිතීමේ ශක්තිය කාටද? මේ පොඩි ගේම් එකක්. හැමදාම ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ. Ahasna, only one chance for you. You can try.
Sir, I think it is myteachers.lk.
Let's see. අපි බලමු.
Sir,
Jennifer?
I have done.
Okay. ටොක්කක් ලබා ගන්න ready වෙන්න. Ramsel start.
Okay, sir. It is www.myteachers.lk.
I don't know. මම අන්තිමට පෙන්නන්නම්. I will tell you. Start. තව කට්ටියට අවස්ථා දෙකක් ඉවරයි. Pehansa, you can try.
I know, sir.
I done, sir.
Start.
I know, sir.
Dulina,
I done, sir.
No problem.
no problem. ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. Tinuka, can you try? No. No.
I done, sir.
මම ඒවත් යොදනවා සර්. මම ළඟ තියෙන වචනේ. I will අසුනි. අශාරා.
ආයුබෝවන්.
ආ?
ආයුබෝවන්.
ආයිබෝවන්. good. බලමු හරිද කියලා අපි අන්තිමේදී ඉරන්යා
ශිෂ්‍යත්වය.
ශිෂ්‍යත්වය. okay. තව කියන්නේ.
Sons. Sons.
Sir, I can. I am in.
Sabin, tell me.
Sir, සිංහලෙන්
ගැටලුවක් නැහැ.
Okay.
සර් සිංහලෙන් කොට ගන්න නැද්ද සර්?
yes, සිංහලෙන් තමයි. වචන දෙකක් එන්න පුළුවන්.
Okay.
Sir, I can. Sir, I can. Sir, I can.
I can, sir.
මන්තුවනේ mic off කරලා message එකක් එවන්න අවස්ථාව ඉවර. සසනි, what is the word?
We can
ජෙනුක අහන කෙනා විතරක් කියන්න. message එවන්න යාට අවස්ථාව දෙන්න.
Study.
ආ
Study.
study. යනුමි
දුවේ පුතේ.
right. Let's see. අපි බලමු තාම කිව්වේ නැහැ. දිසිනු
විභාග.
now නිශ්ශබ්ද වෙන්න.
I send you. Sir.
Right. Let's see. Kumar sir is the superior character. He always uses special set of words, right? Many words. Out of these words, he always tries to use this word. Right. මෙන්න මේ sir නිතරම භාවිතා කරන වචන තුනෙන් මම තෝරගත්ත වචනේ. Do you know the word?
Sir.
No, sir. No, sir. We don't know, sir.
Right.
But
Silent,
yes,
please. Silent, please.
Sir, please give me.
I will call you. Show you. Can you tell me?
we can't.
Sir, your letter.
Number
Lankawe Angkaika. Number 1 in Sri Lanka. තවත් වචන දෙකක් පෙන්නන්නම්. මෙන්න තව ළමෙක් දිනනවා.
My
Teachers.lk. Sir, Idu and I am Damsadi Teli.
Sir, but the detail
www.myteachers.lk.
හරි හරි. කතා කරන්න දින එක හරි. දැන් නිශ්ශබ්ද වෙන්නත් ඕන. කතා කරන්න නැතුව පන්තියක් කරන්න බෑ. එතකොට බොළුවන්ටනේ උගන්වන්නේ. So you have to talk to me. After that මම නිතරම කියවනේ දවසදී speech is silver, silence is golden. මට ඕන ඔබට දෙන්න අපේ කුමාර සර්ගේ වචන දෙකක්. ලංකාවේ අංක 1 myteachers.lk. මට ඒක කියන්න ඉරුහස්නා ඔයා කටහඬින් විතරක්. What are the words?
ලංකාවේ අංක 1 myteachers.lk.
Right. Sir නිතර කියනවද නැද්ද ඔක මට ඇත්ත කියන්න. Tell me. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. He
Yes, sir.
Right.
sir, you
Yeah.
also
මමත් කියන එක. එහෙනම් ඔබට පුළුවන් දම්සදී අද රෑ 9 මාරෙන් පස්සේ කුමාර සර්ට කතා කරලා myteachers.lk කියලා ඉරු සහ දම්සදී කිව්වා. ඔබට ලකුණු ලබා ගන්න පුළුවන් ටැග් සර්ගෙන් ඉල්ලන්න. ඕකේ? සර් තමයි මේ ගේම් එක මේ
Okay,
ගේම්
sir.
එක මේ ගේම් එක පවත්වන්න කිව්වේ ළමයින්ගේ නම් ලියා ගන්න කිව්වා. ඕගොල්ලෝ කෝල් කරලා කියන්නේ සර් දිලීප සර් ස්පෙෂල් ගේම් එකක් කරා. මෙන්න ගේම් එකේ කිව්වා මෙන්න අපෙන් අහපු ප්‍රශ්නය මේකට මුළු පන්තියම උත්තර දුන්නේ මමයි තව ළමෙක් පමණයි. කුමාර සර් ටැග් එකක් දෙනවා කිව්වා. මොකක්ද කියලා ඒක නම ලබා දෙන්න ඕගොල්ලගේ අංකයකුත් තියෙනව නේද? There is a number.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
කුමාර සර් ටැග් කරන දුන්නොත් මට කෝල් කරන්න සර් කුමාර සර් කිව්වේ ටැග් එක දෙන්නේ නැහැ කියලා. Tell me කියලා. මට කියලාම කියන්න ඕන. Okay. Question number 13. Right. Please read this question Sarada. Can you read? Then නිශ්ශබ්ද වෙන්න ඕන හැමෝම. Sarada read the question.
Arrange the words and write meaningful sentences.
Arrange the words and write meaningful sentences. Make sure මතක තියාගන්න you must begin ඔබ පටන් ගන්න each sentence with the capital letter and at the end full stop mark. 1, 2, 3. Start.
සර් ඇක්ටිවිටි 13 කරන්න ඕනි.
Yes, activity 13. Now I will bring my chair here. මම මෙතන පුතුව මෙතෙන්ට ගන්නවා එහා තියෙන එක මගේ මේසෙ නෙවෙයි. And give me 10 seconds තප්පර 10ක්. Start number 13. Saseni, can you hear me, Saseni?
Yes, sir.
Saseni, please tell me the 10 dictation words that I have given. Can you read them?
Sir, I can.
Because last week we did not hold the class, Manthe Pavathuwe naha. The week before last, but I send you dictation words. Okay, Sanasaya, tell me the words.
Sir, සර්ට මැසේජ් එකක් දාන්නද WhatsApp වලින්?
Not WhatsApp, normal message. Can you send me a normal message?
Sir, chat.
Ah, okay, no problem. Send me the words. Wait a while. Again send me. Again, please.
Sir, I have 1 minute. අනේ ගේන්න කෝක.
Okay, okay. Enough, right? Thank you, Yenuka. Right, right.
Sir,
Okay, Nisali. Yes, any question to her?
what's the main road?
Huh?
What's the main road? R-O-A-D.
R
R-O-A-D.
R-O-A-D, rod.
Yes, sir.
You know the word rod. Colombo rod, Mathura rod.
සර් මම chat එකක් දැම්මා.
Okay, first one. I would like to say, Tashara, can you start number 1?
Sir, I can.
Okay, Dula. Sanasaya, can you try?
It is sunny today.
Yes, it is sunny today, or today it is sunny. Both correct.
I can
Yashmi
try.
number 2. Yashmi number 2. Silent please, everybody.
Okay,
Yashmi.
sir. The library will be closed on Wednesday.
Very good. The library will be closed on Wednesday. Or on Wednesday, the library will be closed. Number 3, Yenuka Sadahas. Yenuka number 3.
He has a new red bicycle.
He has a new red bicycle. Have I red new bicycle? Nangaradi. He has a new red bicycle. Number 4, Sanuli. Sanuli number 4.
The elephant is big and the rat is small.
The elephant is big and ඇත්තටම බට් තමයි ඇත්තට ලස්සන. මේක පේපරේ තිබුණේ එහෙමයි. මේක Western Province question එක. The elephant is big and the rat is small. Okay, Rashka number 5 were Rashka number 5.
The people are road building.
No. මුටි වරදක්
Sir,
තියෙනවා.
can I tell
Okay.
I am the answer?
No, wait. Rashkaටම අවස්ථාව දෙන එක චුට්ටක් වෙනස් කරන්න. The people are
The people are building road.
අන්න හරි. The කපන්න දුව. People are building the road. People are building the road. 10 marks. Right.
Sir, I have got 10 out of 10.
Right. Wait a while. Now, before going to next exercise, ඊළඟ අභ්‍යාසයට යන්න කලින් මම කවියක් කියන්නද? Shall I recite a poem?
Yes, I very like,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Okay,
Okay,
sir.
Yes, sir. You can set poem.
Yeah, like, sir.
To tell it with you.
Right.
So we are very
But I am not going to recite. මම කියන්න යන්නේ නැහැ. Baba black sheep, have you any wool? ඒව ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා නේද? This is the poem. මේ කවිය ඔයගොල්ලෝ හොයන්න ඕන හොඳද? net එකේ පස්සේ හොයන්න. Right? This is the first line.
Sir, අපිත් ඔයක ලියා ගන්න ඕනිද?
Don't write. So in our class, we always give you something beyond the language. භාෂාවට වඩා හැම නිතරම ඈත දෙයක් beyond the subject උගන්වන පන්තිය my teachers.lk Friday class එක 6:30 අද normally 6585. That's why you have selected this class. So everybody can't join. හැමෝටම මේකට join වෙන්නත් බෑ. අපි කැමතිත් නැහැ ඒක. Limited number. අපි camp එකකට තමයි බදව ගන්න. ඔබේ යාළුවෝ ඉන්නවා නම් තශාරා, if you have friends, ඔන්න කියන්න අගෝස්තු මාසේ ටියුස්ඩේ කාරගෙන Friday class එකට join වෙන English camp එකට if they like to join. You can invite Durina, one of your friends. Nagani invite a friend. Derek invite a friend. Friday and join the class. Right. Mom, make a kiyavana demo Durina. Durina, can you read these slides?
Did you see us on the telly, Mom, when we sailed away?
Right. अब तो शब्द करान, mic off करान. Did you see us on the telly, Mom?
තමයි මොකද දෙති නැත්තම් කීයටවත් මෙහෙම ඉන්නේ නැහැ අයිය තමයි.
කවුද කතා කරන්නේ? Who is speaking? මට යාගේ නම කියන්න ඉවත් කරලා දාන්න. Right. Did you see us on the telly, Mom, when we sailed away, laughing, waving, cheering, like a film of yesterday? Did you read it in the Sun Pop, how we passed them first time? You told me all about your woe. What do you think of mine? Did you get the letters, dear? How I miss you and was sad? Did you give my love to Tracy? Does she miss her funny dad? Did you see us on the hillside? And could you spot which one was me? Were the flowers very heavy for a grown-up girl of 3? Dulina දැක්කද sir කවිය කියාගෙන ගියා. කොළ කෑලි බැලුවද? No, no papers, no screenshots, right? No messages, no internet, but the poem. මේ කවියේ මාතෘකාව දන්නවද ඔයගොල්ලෝ? Do you know? ඔන්න ඉන්ටර්නෙට් ගිහිල්ලා ගහලා බලන්න මේ කවිය My Family. යුද්ධයක් ගැන තියෙන්නේ. My Family. දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ මට වඩා දක්ෂ නිසා දගනිනන් ටක් ගාලා ඩික්ෂනරි බලලා ෆෝන් එකකින් ගහලා බලාගෙන quickly මෙලනීටත් වඩා වේගෙන් බලනවා. right? හැබැයි wait a while. ධම්සදී මටත් වඩා වේගෙන් බලනවා. හැබැයි මේ තොරතුරු සර් කිව්වේ නැත්නම් ඔබ බලන්න දන්නේ නැහැ. අපිට මේ තොරතුරු කාරුවත් කිව්වේ නැහැ. අපි බොහොම අමාරුවෙන් පොත් පරිශීලනය කරලා මෙතෙන්ට ආවා. ඒවත් මහන්සි වෙනවා. ඕගොල්ලෝ මේ වෙබ් එකට ලොකු මහන්සියක් ගන්න ඉන්න දැවැන්තම ටීචර්ස්ලා කණ්ඩායමේ ඉන්න අපේ වෙබ් එකක් තමයි myteachers.lk. right? okay. Let's see. My Family. Rashka, what is the name of the poem?
My family.
My Family. Yenuka, what is the name of the poem? My Wife.
My family.
No. My Family. My brothers, my family. Eki no, my wife, my brother, sister, everybody, father, mother. Me යුද්ධය ගැන තියෙන ලස්සන poem එක කාරුවරි සොයාගත්තද net එකකින්? Who found this poem?
No, sir.
Nobody. කාරුවරි නැහැ.
Sir, is it from Adam's Family?
Huh? Did you see us on the telly? Right. ඔයා හොයාගත්ත නම් කවිය කියන්න කොතනද? නිශ්ශබ්දව අනිත් නිශ්ශබ්ද වෙන යාර කියන්න කිව්වේ. කො හොයාගත්ත කියන එක කියලා. Tell me the poem. Recite it. කවුද සොයාගත්තා කියු පුතා? කො කියන්නකෝ යා.
සර් දිසිනු කියලා ළමෙක්.
දිසිනු. දිසිනු tell me. කියන්න බලන්න. දිසිනු, okay, tell me. He has vanished. එයා අතුරුදහන් වෙලා. right? මේ poem එකේ ටික වෙලාවකින් පුද්ගලයෙක්
මම හොයාගන්න ගමන් ඉන්නේ.
wait. මේ poem එකේ තුලින එක්තරා පුද්ගලයෙක් අතුරුදහන් වෙනවා. අපි දිසිනුගේ පැත්තටම යවමු යා නේද? අතුරුදහන් වෙන list එකට. We can send him. right. මං හිතන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ සොයාගන්න බැරි වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Do you like this poem? ආසද මේ සොල්දාදුවේ poem එකට?
Yes, I like.
Sir, you tell that song at last week.
Wait a while. Did you see us on the telly, Mum, when we sailed away, laughing, waving and cheering like a film of yesterday? Did you read it in the Sun Pop, how we passed them first time? You told me all about your woe. What do you think of mine? Did you get the letters from dear? How I miss you and was sad? Did you give my love to Tracy? Does she miss her funny dad? Did you see us on the hillside? Could you spot which one was me? Were the flowers very heavy for a grown-up girl of 3? Foxland War. ඕගොල්ලන්ට මේක සොයාගන්න බැරි නම් මේ යුද්ධ පින්තූර තියෙන තැනක් මම කියන්නද?
Okay, sir.
right. මෙන්න මේක ඕගොල්ලෝ net එකේ ගහලා සොයන්න. ඕගොල්ලෝ දන්නවා අපේ ඕනම පන්තියක තොරතුරු සොයන්න පුරුදු කරන්න. මම දවසක් පන්තියේ ඉඳි මම දැක්කා මම කුමාර සර්ගේ පන්තියට ගියා මොකද මගේ පුතත් සර්ගේ ක්ලාස් එකේ ඉගෙන ගත්තා. My son was educated under his feet. So I went ආගින් චුට්ටක් මම පන්තියේ පිටිපස්සේ වාඩිලා ඉඳිද්දි සර් එකපාරටම ලස්සන පින්තූර ටිකක් දැම්මා. මට මතකයි. I can still remember ලංකාවේ සභා දහම ගැන එදා පරිසරය උගන්වුවේ සර්. ඇත්තටම හරි සතුටක් දැනුණා. මම දැකලා තිබුණෙත් නෑ ස්ථාන. I have never seen. I can't understand. I could not trace. Then he explained. Sir පැහැදිලි කළ දුන්නා. බොහොම ලස්සන මචං ප්‍රොජෙක්ටර් එක දාලා ඒ ස්ථාන ගැන. එතකොට අපේ පිච් එකක් වදිනවා. ශිෂ්‍යත්වයේ පාස් වෙන්න විතරක් උගන්වන ගුරුවරයෙක් නෙවෙයි. ඒ වගේ ඔබට හાર્ට් එකට ඉංග්‍රීසි I can just teach you. දැන් කෙනෙක් හිතන්න පුළුවන් අයියෝ සර් පාඩම් 10ක් තියෙනවා 11යි. අපි තාම තව පාඩම් 5යි. බාගෙන ඊළඟ අපේ ටියුට් එක යුනිට් දෙකක් එකතු කරලා හදන්න. grammar තව එක පාඩමයි තියෙන්නේ. We have completed most of grammar lessons. paper වලින් ප්‍රශ්න වලින්. ඒ නිසා අපි ඉදිරියෙන් ඉන්නවා. අහන් ඉන්න. Teacher is not a person to teach you what is written in the book. What is given in the book. පොතේ තියෙන දේන් එහාට. මෙන්න එනු කේරම් හොයාගන්න යුද්ධ ෆොටෝග්‍රාෆ් එක. Falkland War කියලා ගන්නකො. Falkland යුද්ධය. ඔන්න ඔබ ගැහුවාම එවි. මේ කවිය ලියවෙන යුද්ධය. හරිම බිහිසුන යුද්ධයක්. It is very terrible. බලන්න තියනවද ඔබ Google ගැහුවාම Falkland War කියලා අන්න කෙනෙක් කියලා තියෙනවා. What do you find? මොකද්ද මේකේ තියෙන්නේ? Can you see soldiers? Soldiers දැක්කද in black and
Soldiers,
white?
pictures.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I found it.
Don't shout. කෙනෙක් දෙන්න
Sir,
කතා කරන්න.
soldiers are
Yes. Soldiers are dancing.
No, sir.
No,
Soldiers
sir.
is
They are marching.
They are marching. Some of them are marching, some carrying weapons. Others sit down in one place. They think, and some dead. Have you seen? Rakkanega.
yes, sir. It is so scared.
Right. Okay. එහෙනම් මම කවදා හරි ඉංග්‍රීසි කැම්ප් එකක් තිබ්බහම මේක පින්තූර ගෙනලා යුද්ධය
There was April.
They are ready for battle.
right big battle ලොකු යුද්ධයක්. This took place in Argentina and all I will teach you මම මේ කවියෙන් කියලා දෙන්නම් ඉදිරියේදී what happened to the soldier given in the poem. කවියේ දීපු සොල්දාදුවාට වෙච්ච දේ මම ඔබට අන්තිමට කියන්නම්. I will tell you later. Right? දැන් කියන්න ඕනේ නෑනේ නේද ගගනේ? Right.
Yes, sir.
Acting.
Please tell it.
Please tell now.
Please tell now, sir.
Yes, we are making it so badly.
Right, right. Really. මම දන්නෙත් නෑ මේ යුද්ධ වෙච්ච දේවල් දුරිනා. හා? මම දන්නෙත් නෑ නේද? නේ? සර් දන්නවද? Does the teacher know?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
I think.
Yes, no, sir. You not know, but the poem is no.
You know the poem, then you can get it.
ඒ ඕගොල්ලෝ ගන්න විදිය. සර් තොරතුරු ගන්නේ කවියක් නිකන් ඉගෙනගෙන දම්සදී උඩින් ගන්නෙ නෑ. සර් කවිය ලිව්වේ කවුද? කවිය ඉපදුනේ කොහෙද? කවිය කොච්චර කවි ලියලා තියෙනවද? how many poems? ඒ කවිය බිහි වුණේ කොහෙන්ද? ඒ කවිය ලියන්න හේතුනේ කුමක්ද? මේ යුද්ධ වෙන්නේ කොහෙද? යුද්ධ කොච්චර කලක් වුණා මිනිස්සු how many people were killed? කී දෙනෙක් මැරුණාද? යුද්ධ දිනුවේ කවුද? සර් ඔක්කොම හොයනවා. හොයලා after that I teach. හදිසියෙන් ළමෙන් මගෙන් ප්‍රශ්නයක් ඇහුවොත් මට කිව්වා මේ කවිය දන්නව මම අනිත් ඒවා දන්නේ නැහැ. I don't. ධම්සදී කියන්නේ එහෙම නේද? ධම්සදී ඉංග්‍රීසි ගුරුවරයෙක් වුණාම සර් මේ ළමයි ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නේ බා මම කවිය විතරයි දන්නේ වෙන ප්‍රශ්න I don't.
No, sir.
right. ඒ නිසා ධම්සදී කිව්වා සර් කවිය විතරක් දන්නවා වෙන මොනවත් දන්නේ නැහැ. හරි හොඳයි. මම දන්න ටික පස්සේ කියන්නම්. right, question number 14. Foxton Law war එකගේ දවසක කියන්නම් හොඳට විස්තර කරලා මේ සිදුවීම හරිය ලස්සන තැනක් තියෙනවා. I will tell you later. The time is not enough. පුළුවන් නම් ඔබ කියවලා තොරතුරු එකතු කරලා මටත් කියලා දෙන්න මෙන්න සර්.
Sir, I know one thing.
Sir, I know about it.
Yeah, I know one thing.
What is that?
Sir, can I tell it Sinhala?
Okay.
Sir, දැන් ඒ යුද්ධය ආරම්භ කරේ 1982 අප්‍රේල් 2.
Right. One thing. Good, good. Then find many things. බොහෝ දේවල් හොයලා මට කියන්න. Right. Okay. Fill in the blanks using the correct question word. Where? ඔන්න මගේ paper එකක් ඉදිරියේ තියෙනවා. මේ ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා. Where, when, what, why, how. 1, 2, 3. Start. පටන් ගන්න. පිටු අංක 8ක් complete කරන්න අවශ්‍යයි අද. next week අපි මේ ටියුට් එක ඉවර කරනවා. second week එකේදී ඔබට ටියුට් ලැබෙයි.
I done my work, sir.
Hasoni, is it raining in your area? Can Mirandu bottle of Hino do it? Raining?
No, sir. It's a sunny
No
day.
rain.
No,
Huh?
sir. No, sir.
No rain.
No, sir. Today is a sunny day.
Sunny
Very
day.
sunny.
Good, good. Now do people come to Mayangani temple from other districts these days? No. We're not district calling in order to visit Mayangani temple.
No, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir.
Aditi, I could not talk to you today. How are you doing? Okay, Aditi, last week you were absent. The week before last, did you get the record? Your mother called me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, follow the lessons when you get absent. Today I came to Hapugala today, right close to your house. You know Sarasali Asapur?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, let's see. Question activity 14. Aditi, can you start number 1?
Where do you live?
I live in Kalam. Where do you live? I live in Saven number 2. Saven number 2.
What do you come to school?
No, wrong. That is wrong. Please tell me.
How do you
Wait, Chetana.
I can, sir.
Wait. Chetana, please tell me.
How do you come to school?
How do you come to school? Chetana, how do you go to school?
I come to school by bus.
Okay. Number 3, Sarada. Sarada, number 3.
What is your father?
What is your father? What is your father? My father is the teacher. Gagani number 4.
Oh, we can add what is your father's occupation?
Okay, father, stop occupation. Gagani number 4.
When is your birthday? My birthday is on 10th of October.
Okay, Gagani, when is your real birthday? Wage ඇත්තම උපන්දිනේ, please tell me. Huh? Don't know. මතක නැද්ද? Gagani cannot remember. එයාට මතක නැති. Harshi, number 5.
Why are you in sad mood?
Harshi, why are you sad today? Your parents are not at home.
No, today they are at home.
Very good, very good, very good. එහෙනම් dictation බලන්න එන්න කියන tell your mother or father to check dictation today, huh?
Yes, sir.
Both දෙන්නට වෙන්න කියන්න. Both father and mother. Father on your left, mother on your right, like bodyguards. Okay. 10 marks for question number 14. We are going to start question number 15. Dulina Putta, can you read question 15?
I can, sir. Fill in the blanks, choosing the correct verb from the brackets.
Fill in the blanks, choosing the correct verb from the bracket. Form word එක කපන්න. Form wrong. Fill in the blanks, choosing the correct verb from the bracket. Form, cut it off. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Gagani, 16th of June. Okay, finish. Hands up, right? Hands up, students whose birthdays come in the month of August. Agosto මාසේ කවුද උපන්දින ඉන්නේ? In the month of August. Namsadi, last week your birthday.
Yes, sir. Last week.
Did you celebrate the birthday party?
Yes, sir. My elder sisters and our family.
Okay, you did not invite Dilip sir. Huh? If you had invited me, I would have come. Invite me in your next birthday, no problem. 25th November, 23rd, Chetana. Chetana's birthday comes in English. I don't know Sinhala. I don't speak Sinhala in the class. I don't know. I am a Suddha. I don't know Sinhala. Shavel, yes, dictation will be given. Labadina. Kasuni, 30th March, August. Ahasna, when is the date?
Sir, my birthday is on 17th of August.
Ah, okay. In another 3 weeks. Okay. Will there be a party?
No, sir, not a big party. Sir, my sister's birthday is on tomorrow.
Tomorrow. What is your sister's name?
Sir, I have only one sister.
Asta's sister.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Give my regards to her tomorrow. If I cannot call, perhaps I have got classes. Anyway, my wishes, right? To your
Sir.
sister.
Sir, maybe she can't understand us.
She's very small.
Yes, tomorrow is the second year.
She's just 2 years old. No problem, no problem. Give her a small present. Which she likes. Small doll, toy, something else? Chatumi, can you start? First one, my pet Greenie. I spoke to everybody. Miss Surana, message one.
My
She's very silent. I cannot hear her. Aditi, can you try the Aditi Nishara?
My pet Greenie eats cereals.
Yes. You know, some people say, American people, cereals, work collect dhanya. Number 2, Nadev, can you start number 2?
Rooney worships her parents before she goes to school.
Yes, Romini worships her parents before she goes to school. Number 3, please tell me, Genumi, number 3.
My mother scrapes coconut using the coconut scraper.
You can see Genumi's voice is very powerful. It penetrates the heart. Okay, right? Penetrates. Okay, good. Pantiya kisi nobody shouldn't be right. Make sure you should not be shy. Lecturing no, you do not know. And try to read loudly, speak loudly, call my friend. Then onna lamai niradaram reading lessons වැඩ දුන්නා මට call කරනවා. Now student do not call me. දැන් මට call කරන්නේ මම ඒකට කමන්නේ. If you don't call me මට හරි පහසුයි මට කරදර නැහැ. Earlier when I put the phone, another person called and again called. Now I am quite free. මම ඒ නිසා my teachers එකේ අපේ ළමයින්ගේ ඔය ගාව call ලාවත් answer කරන්නේ නැහැ. Right? Because you forget the teacher. ඔබට teacher අමතක වුණා. මම reading ගොඩාක් දුරට ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ නිර්මාණය කරලා තැනකට ගෙනාව යන්නේ නේද? Reading දැන් ඔබට පුළුවන්. නමුත් some student do not practice. ඒ නිසා මේ පාර ටියුට් එකේ reading දැම්මා. අපේ අගෝස්තු එකේ again we will start. Tasuni, next one.
Can I?
Okay, Sandasya, tell me.
My brother studies 4 hours a day.
Number 3, Dua.
My mother scrapes coconut using the coconut scraper.
Scrapes, Dua. Scrapes. My mother scrapes coconut using the coconut scraper. What is coconut scraper? Hiramane. To right, which we use to scrape coconut. Number 4, please tell me. Right.
Sir, I am Hasna. Can I?
Chetana, number 4.
My brother studies 4 hours a day.
Hours, not the hours. මේක උගන්වන්න තියෙන්නේ. Hours කියන්න එපා සංගමිත්‍ය ළමයි. Hours. You can see this word. It's silent. Again, Chetana, read it again.
My brother studies 4 hours a day.
4 hours a day. Don't say right. Hours. It's silent. Are silent. Number 5, Damsadi.
Okay, sir. My little brother wakes up early in the morning and studies.
Okay. Again, number 1, Rashka. Again, number 1. Now I can කියවන්න.
My pet Greenie eats
I did not hear. Hasna, number 1.
My pet Granny eats cereals.
Eat cereals. Yashmi, number 2.
Worships her parents before she goes to school.
Very good. Number 3. Senara, number 3.
My mother scrapes coconut using the coconut scrapers.
Good. Number 4. I will give you another chance. Number 4.
Okay, sir. My brother studies 4 hours a day.
Disinu. Disinu, number 5.
My little brother wakes up early in the morning and studies.
Okay, wakes up Puta, my little brother. This is a boy of your age, or at your age. Right? What question would you ask from him? Wait a while. Mom, podi spoken activity එකක් කරන්න හදන්නේ හැමෝටම. Right? Are you ready for the activity?
Yes, we are ready.
Yes, sir.
We are ready for the activity. Sir, we are ready.
Wait.
Ready.
Don't shout. Ahang inna.
Yes, sir.
Mic off කරන්න. මම මේ activity එක practice කරන්න ඕන නිසා මම තෝරගන්නවා මුලින්ම දුලින. Right? I selected දුලින. Right? දුලින ඔයා තමයි news maker. News maker කියන්නේ හිතන්න you are a very popular character in Sri Lanka. ඔබ ලංකාවේ ඉන්න ජනප්‍රියම චරිතයක්. දුලින. දැන් දුලිනගෙන් අපි ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න තියෙන්නේ. එයාගේ අපි අහන නම මොකක්ද ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින්. දුලින, you must listen to them and answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then දුලිනගෙන් යනුක අහන ප්‍රශ්න ටිකක් ලියාගෙන එක දෙක ලියාගන්න හැමෝම. I would like to ask Dulina first question. Dulina, what is your father's name?
My father's name is Aruna.
Aruna. Yashmi, question එකක් අහන්න. සඳසේයා නංගිට අයින් වෙන්න කියන්නේ.
Sir, can I try?
Ask now. Okay, Dua, you can ask.
Is your father?
What is your father? තාත්තගේ රැකියා.
My father is chief administrative officer in Lumbini Tree Factory.
My father is a tea administrative officer. Good. Right. Yenuka, ask a question. ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහන්න.
What's your name?
My name is Dulina.
Sir, can I get
Wait.
my name?
Don't shout. මං අහන ළමයා විතරක් ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න. Yashmi,
Yes, sir.
ask the question.
When is your birthday?
Dulina, when is your birthday?
My birthday is in 17th of March.
17th of March. Sandaseya.
Yes, sir.
Sandaseyaට මං කියමු මේ ගේම් එක තේරුන්නේ නැද්ද?
Eruna, sir. Palakinna.
Saseni, your chance is over. Saseni,
How many members in your family?
how many members
Four
are there in the
members.
family?
4
There
members
are
in
four
my
members.
family.
Right. Nesandi,
Where do you live?
I live in Deniaya.
right. Last question. අන්තිම ප්‍රශ්නය අහන්න ගගනි.
How do you come to school?
By van.
I come to school. Dulina, I asked you last question. මම වාගෙන් අහනවා ප්‍රශ්නයක්. Whom do you love in your family very much? Brother, father or mother?
All.
Yeah, no, you can select one. Who is number one?
I love very much mother.
Very good, very good. හැබැයි මම හුඟක් සතුටු වෙනවා. වාගේ මුල්ම උත්තරේට sir I love all. මං sir පවුලේ ඔක්කොන්ට ආදරේ my mother, father, brother. Very good answer. ඒ අතරෙනුත් finally you selected මට ඒක කමක් නෑ but thank you. එහෙනම් දුලිට අපි හැමෝම අප්පුඩියක් ගාමු. News worthy marker. Clap. Now I select අහන් ඉන්න මොකද මේ දරුවෝ ඔක්කොම එකයි. ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න ඔබ මැසේජ් එකක් එවන්න. යෙනුමි,
Thank you, sir.
are you ready?
Yes, sir.
අන්න right. දැන් යෙනුමි තමයි vice president of Sri Lanka. ලංකාවේ නැත්තම් prime minister දෙමු අපි යාට. අගමැතිනිය. අපි යාගෙන් පෞද්ගලික තොරතුරු ටිකක් අහමු. Melanie, what is the first question?
Where do you live? I live in Bandarawela.
Ask question.
What is your school?
My school is Bandarawela Kuda Kusum Balika Mahavidyalaya.
Nadev.
Yes, sir.
තමුන්වහන්සේ කරන්න ඕන දේ දන්න ඕනේ. Yes sir කියලා ඉන්නේ නැතුව.
Yes, sir.
No questions. එයාට ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ. හර්ෂි.
Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Palita Senanayaka, my class teacher.
Class teacher. Okay. Dulina.
What is your education qualifications?
අධ්‍යාපන සුසුකම්. එනවි කියන්න මොනවද? I can speak English. I pass scholarship exam. Can tell me. කියන්න අපි හැමෝටම ආන්නේ. Speak activity, online, conversation.
I can act.
Huh? I can act. අඟපාන්න පුළුවන්. Education qualification. So I am the second in the class. I can speak. I can read very well. Right. I am very good at sports. පුළුවන්
I
දේවල්.
am perfect.
Especially I can write English well. I can understand Tamil. I have passed scholarship exam and I am the first in the class. My last question. Yenumi අහන අන්තිම ප්‍රශ්නය. Yenumi, I will give you an air ticket. Which country do you select to travel?
Dubai.
Dubai. Why?
My father is also live in Dubai, sir.
Okay. You can go to Dubai with your family members. And this is the article. Huh? I will send it. Okay, clap her. Clap. Now, Aditi. Aditi, please come to the screen. Aditi and Vedika. Aditi, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aditi tamai then ape news maker, right?
Sir.
Api hamu prashna. Others, I would like to give you opportunity to ask questions from Aditi. Aditi, first question is from me. Aditi, please tell me 4 sentences about your family. Mother, brother, sister, okay?
There are 3 members in my family, and they are my mother, my father, and me. We live in happily in our family.
What is your father? What is your mother?
My mother is Ms. Nirosha. My father is Mr. Hasant.
Yes. What are they?
My mother is a lecturer at Kapugala Engineering Faculty. My father is a businessman.
Right. මම තව ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහන්න. Do you have brothers and sisters?
No, sir.
Do you like brothers and sisters?
Yes, sir.
Okay. අපි ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න අවස්ථාව දැන් පටන් ගන්නවා. Yenuka, first question. Yenuka is silent. Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live in Gaul.
අලුත් ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න ඕන. Aditi, what is your favorite game?
My favorite game is chess.
Okay, my favorite. Who is your chess teacher?
My chess teacher is Mr. Ruan.
Okay. Sandaseya, ඔබට අවස්ථාව ඉස්සර මිස් වුණා.
Why are you? Sorry, sir. When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 3rd of October.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice and curry.
Okay. Chanumi, ask a question. I can't hear, but I hear Nadev.
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow.
Yellow. Okay.
Can I ask
Aditi,
a question?
Aditi, my next question is, I will give you an opportunity with a brand new car to travel around Sri Lanka. What is your favorite district? Place? Where do you like to travel?
I like to visit Kandy.
Okay, my last question. Why do you love your mother? Tell me 3 qualities. Amma honda gatikuna tunak kiyan.
She helps me to my studies.
With my studies, she helps me with my studies.
She
Another
love
two.
me.
She loves me. You can say she's very kind, she's very sensitive. My mother is very well educated, intelligent, helpful, sensitive. Right, okay. Aditi, we clap you. Clap, everybody.
Hardly not sensitive.
Right. Then on mama speech activity එකක් කරා in the class. Okay, do you like activities like this? ඔබ කැමතිද මේ වගේ speech activities වලට?
Yes, sir. We like
Yes, I like.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We like
Yes, I
it
will
very,
like.
very well.
Last chance. අන්තිම අවස්ථාව දම්සදී. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yenumi, first question from Damsadi.
What is your ambition?
My ambition is to be a doctor.
Very good question. එකක් කියව උත්තර කියමයි. My ambition is to be a doctor. Chetana.
Sir, please give me a chance. When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 17th of July.
What is
I can say.
favorite drink?
Don't shout. අහන කෙනා විතරයි.
What
Pehansa.
is your sister?
What
I
is
doesn't
your
have
favorite?
any sisters. I am only child in my family.
Okay. Nadev.
Why do you like to be a doctor?
Very good question. Why do you like to be a doctor?
To
to treat the patient.
Yes.
It
is a noble profession. I like to treat patient. I like to serve my country. I want to be proud. Doctors are very proud. Okay. Next, Gagani.
What is your father?
My father is a businessman.
What is your mother?
My mother is a retired SL Army.
Army, soldier. Very good, very good, very good. Army man. Army man. We use that word. Not army woman. Very strong young character. Sinara.
What do your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is dark yellow.
Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Kenuli.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is gardening.
Can you sing?
Yes.
Yeah, you can. Now I have no time to give you opportunity. My final question. Why do you like this? My teachers.lk English class.
It is a very good class. We can learn lot of things.
What is your favorite class?
English, science, maths, and
All
singing.
are favorite.
And
First place. I need first place, not 3 subjects. What is your most favorite?
English.
Okay, good, good, good. Our chances are over. Now, dictation. Right. Spell master. More than 240 words. Aditi, get ready. Right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Tomorrow I have a chess tournament, and now I have introduction class for this.
Okay.
Can I
no
give?
problem. Okay, then ask your mother after you have finished your chess class or interaction. Ask your mother to give you the dictation. Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir.
First word, mutual. Melody, call your mother to sit beside you. Mutual. ලබන සතිය අනිත් අයට news markers ලා වෙන්න පුළුවන් makers ලා. Right? Melanie, you can come to the stage this week. Announcer. Announcer.
Sir, I am a news reader in our school.
Okay, good, good, good. What is the school?
My school is St. Lawrence's Convent.
Okay. Announcer. Haste. Number 3, haste. Please call Saven, call your mother or father, Durina, to mark dictation. Comment. Comment. Rashka, your mother can comment, mark. Comment. විවේචනය කරනවා, විස්තර කරනවා, අදහස් ප්‍රකාශ කරනවා. Porridge. Porridge. Rashka, Talapa. Porridge. Ashara, you can call your mom. Oh, your father is always with you. Call your father. Porridge. Agani, call your father. Educated. Educated. Settlement. 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 විසඳුම. Naughty. Naughty. මුරණ්ඩු. අර නරක පැත්ත නෙවෙයි අපි කියන්නේ ටික මුරණ්ඩු ගතියදී. Naughty. Directly. Directly. Appoint. Appoint. Effect. Effect. Last one. Last word. Special word. අන්තිමට දෙන්නේ special word එක නේද දුරිගන්? Ready?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir හැමදාම ලේසියම නේද දෙන්නේ? ධම්සති. Very easy word. Last one.
Sometimes some
Okay.
words are easy, but some words are difficult.
Okay. Queue. Last word queue. මිනිසුන් සෙනග ඉන්න පෝලිම බස් පෝලිම queue.
Okay, sir.
Queue. Ramsadi, give your tune to your mother or father, do it.
Okay, sir.
Chetana, Yashmi, everybody, Melanie. I will check Nisandi. Ragani, give it to your father to mark dictation. Senara, call your mother. Isuru tamam hari දාන්න බෑ. අම්මට දෙන්න red pen එක. Give the red pen to your mother. අම්මලත් වාඩි වෙන්න කිව්වනම් හරි. ඒතකොට හරි දාන්න මේ පවුනේ නැගිටලයි. Hasuni.
Sir, can you write the Q word?
Okay. Last word I will write. අන්තිම වචනේ මම ලියන්නම්. Aditi, your sister.
Sir.
Chanuli, Hansa, Nadev. Just Jinumi, finish.
Yes,
sir. Rashna.
My mother is marking the paper.
Okay, Linet. Linet, ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නත් බැරුණා මට. Saven, mother ready?
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's see. පළමු Saven. Saven අද මම ප්‍රශ්නයක් කියවුවා හරියට උත්තරේ දුන්නේ නැහැ. Dictation නම් දැන් ගොඩක් හොඳයි. Grammar පුතා ටිකක් ඉගෙන ගන්නත් ඕනේ. චේතනා, හර්ෂින් අහන්න ඕන who marks the paper? කවුද පේපරේ මාක් කරන්නේ?
My father.
Right. Chatumi, Tinuka, Yugahas. Chatumi.
last word එක ලියන්න පුළුවන්ද?
ලින්දිනි මට අමතක වුණා ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න මොකද මං මේක කරොත් අපේ ස්ක්‍රීන් එක විසර ලින්දිනි who marks the paper දුව?
My mother.
Okay ලින්දිනි. On the last word එක Q. අපි ලින්දිනිට අවස්ථාව දෙමු Q. Did you write spelling ලින්දිනි? Q-U-E-U-E. Q-U-E-U-E. Lindini, correct or wrong?
Correct, sir.
Very good. Double salute.
සර් අන්තිම අකුරු දෙක විතරයි සර් වැරදුනේ. අන්තිම අකුරු දෙක විතරයි.
E-U-E.
Sir, ඔය වචන මාසකට විතර කලින් දීලා තිබ්බේ.
Yes.
My
Yes.
all are correct. I am Damsadi.
Right. Damsadi. Double salute mark. Get a present from your mother. Dictation tag ටික ගන්න ඕන අම්මගෙන්.
Okay,
අර
sir.
ප්‍රශ්නේ tag කුමාර ජනප්‍රිය sir.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
My presents are given on the day of the English camp. English camp එකේදී තමයි sir ගේ tag ටික ලැබෙන්නේ. Thank you for joining, children. My teacher Scott Telke. We are starting a new month. මට message එවන්න ළමයි. Dulina 12 කියලා තියෙනවා. Very good, Dulina. Dulina, get a present from your father, okay?
Okay, sir, I will get.
Right, good. I will call your father. Give him a very good present. If you get less than 6, give him a kick. Put him to the road. හරි හයට අඩු අයට දෙමාපියන් එලවන්න කියලා මම ආරාධනා කරනවා ගෙදරිනුත් එලවා දමන්න. හොඳයි නේද මගේ ඉල්ලීම ගගනි? Disinu, how many marks? Yenumi, Harshi, good. Harshi අද හොඳයි නේ. Harshi, good. වෙනද යාම ලකුණු දාගන්නේ. Thank you for joining. You have joined. Right, Rashka, how many marks do andakka amma ඇවිත් ඉන්නවා?
11 out of 12, sir.
Okay, Rashka, what is the wrong word?
Q.
Okay, thank you for joining our English class www.my teachers.lk. We started at 6:30. Now time is 8:30, and I have to say goodbye. And we are starting a new month. Get a good kickstart next week, and we'll finish this tutorial anyway. Okay, good night, children.
Good night, sir. Good night, sir. Have a nice day. Thank you, sir.
Take care, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Bye.
Take care from the virus, sir.
Goodbye, sir. Good night.